Hello everyone, welcome back to TechPorn, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to deactivate your Instagram account. To do so, first of all, open your Instagram and then go to your profile. Now click on the three lines. Now click on Account Center, scroll down and click on Manage Accounts. Here, click on the Manage button of the account you want to deactivate. Here, you will see an option to delete or deactivate your account. Click on it. Here, click on Deactivate Account and Continue, and fill in every information and then click on Continue wherever required. Now, once you provide a password, you will now be scheduled for deactivation. Now your account will be scheduled for deactivation. And if this video helped, follow us for more tips and tutorials.